In a Domino AX series printer, the drop deflection principle is the core of its continuous inkjet (CIJ) technology, used to steer individual ink droplets to form characters on a moving product. Continuous stream and breakup. Ink is pumped from a reservoir through a nozzle, creating a steady jet. Inside the print head, a piezoelectric actuator vibrates the nozzle at a high frequency, breaking the stream into millions of uniform droplets every second. As droplets form, they pass through a charge electrode. The printer applies a specific electrical charge to each print drop. The amount of charge determines how high or low that drop will land on the product. The charged drops then fly between two deflector plates, also called high-voltage plates. These plates create a constant electrostatic field. Because the drops are charged, they are pulled or deflected toward these plates, changing their flight path. Drops with a higher charge are deflected more, reaching the top of a character. Those with less charge form the bottom. Drops that are not needed for printing receive no charge. These uncharged drops fly straight, missing the product entirely. They are caught by a gutter, a collection pipe, and recycled back into the ink system to be used again.